We have yet another pair of Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows coming out fairly soon. Now these are going to be in the olive colorway. Now I'm a pretty big fan of these and they look pretty good, and I can't imagine what it's going to look like on feet. This army green is a very good hit against this black, and of course it has the touch of cream, the white, and I'm almost certain that they're going to be having multiple pairs of shoelaces inside of this sneaker box. I personally have a connection to the Travis Scott Air Jordan 1 lows and the reverse mochas because I used the resale money to put some money down on my fiance's ring. So I really do have an emotional connection to the Air Jordan 1 Travis Scott's. Now the retail price on these are going to be $150, which is not horrible considering the collaboration and the sneaker. But the biggest problem is can you get a pair? Now I remember when they released those all black ones, the Phantom pair, it was a phenomenal colorway because it was simple, it was black, it was white, and of course had the touches of Travis Scott all over it. Now I was not able to get that, but I was able to get the reverse mochas, and I'm hoping that I can bring over the luck over here to this olive colorway, maybe to go on a honeymoon. Or maybe to put towards my wedding. Who knows? Now the release date on these are going to be March 25th, 2023. So hopefully you guys have some good luck on that. And like I said, it's going to be a retail price of $150. And there's no telling what the resale price is going to be on these, or how much the availability is going to be on these, considering that Travis Scott always releases a pair of limited sneakers with Jordan brand. Now, like I said, I'm a huge fan of these because it has more black on it and more dark colors than it does the white / light colors with the cream and the white. I do like this background of having the black mostly on the sneaker and having that suede toe box right there, which is a phenomenal look. And that army green colorway is just phenomenal and it pops off of this sneaker. And of course the touches of red is something that I'm also a fan of. Now I'm actually a really big fan of this colorway for some reason. I know I hated on the reverse mochas just because it just seemed a little bit of a weird combination of white and brown. It wasn't it for me. You know, everybody has their cup of tea, especially with Travis Scott's, but it wasn't it for me. I like the simpler ones, and I think this one is one of those simple tones, and I really like the color combination of this olive green, this cream white, the bright white, and the red. I just think it all comes together very well. If this is a cop for you guys, let me know down in the comments below. It's a phenomenal sneaker, and hopefully everybody has luck on this one right here. Dang, even looking at the insole, it's just pretty creative and has, you know, every kind of touch of Travis Scott was here. You got the Cactus Jack, you got the 23, the Nike logo, you have that Cactus Jack face, you have Cactus Jack writing, 23 with the flame Air Jordan to kind of look like one of those army logos. And I'm telling you, this is probably going to be the best Travis Scott of 2023 because it is the only Travis Scott of 2023 so far. But yeah, March 25th is the date that these are going to be releasing. Let me know what you guys think of them in the comments below. Anyways, guys, Jolo2TV, good luck. Out.